You have probably heard stories of traders turning a small account into thousands of dollars and other blowing up their account overnight. The difference often come down to four things: leverage, pip, lot size and margin. Today I am going to break them down for you in simple, clear, so by the end of this video you will understand how they work, how to use them to your advantage, and how to avoid the traps that destroy most traders. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rana Muzamil Gulfam and I teach you how to trade smart, manage your risk and master the markets. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you never miss a strategy or lesson like this one. Today's lesson is perfect for beginner and even intermediate traders who still feel confused about terms like leverage, pip value, lot size, margin. They, these are not just definition, they are foundation of how money is made and lost in forex trading. So first of all, what is leverage in forex? So leverage in forex is essentially borrowed capital from your broker that allow you to control a large position than your account balance would normally allow. Think of it like a lever in real life. It gives you power to lift more than you could with just your own strength. In trading, leverage multiply your buying power. Example, if you have $1,000 in your trading account and your broker offer 1:100 leverage, you can control up to $1 lakh worth of currency in the market. Why broker offer leverage? Forex market move in teeny pips, so without leverage the profit potential on small move would be very low. Leverage allow trader to magnify both profit and losses. How leverage benefits you? Leverage increased your potential profit with small capital. Access to large position and market opportunities allows small traders to participate in global forex market. But there are also some risk in leverage. Losses are also magnified. High leverage mean higher risk of margin calls and can wipe out account quickly without risk management. So best practice for leverage is beginner should stick to lower leverage like 1:10 and 1:20. Always calculate risk per trade before opening a position and combine leverage with strict stop loss. Now come to the next topic, that is what is pips. A pip stand for percentage in point or price interest point. It's the smallest standard unit of movement in a currency pair. Example, if Euro USD moves from 1.1000 to 1.1001, that's a movement of 1 pip. For pair with Japanese yen, 1 pip is the second decimal place. Like USD JPY from 110.00 to 110.01. Why pips matter? They are the universal way trader measure price movement. Profit and losses are calculated also in pips, and risk and reward ratio also set in pips. So how to calculate your pips value? First of all, pips value is equal to 1 pip is divided by exchange rate multiply your lot size. Now become the what is lot size? Lot size is the number of currency unit you buy or sell in a trade. These are three main lot size in forex. First of all, one standard lot is equal to 1 lakh unit. Mini lot is equal to 10k units, and also macro lot is equal to 1000 units. There is also a pip value price. You can see in every standard lot and mini lot and macro lot how much you earn from a pips. So first of all, in lots, why lot size matter? Because lot size determines the pip value and therefore profit and loss size. Help controls risk by adjusting trade size. Work together with leverage and margin. Example, if you trade 0.10 lot, mini lot on Euro USD and it moves 50 pips in your favor, your profit is 50 pips are $1 pips is equal to $50. So next question is that what is separate? Separate is difference between the bid and ask price. It is how broker earns money, like a commission. Like in Euro USD, bid price is 1.1050 and ask price is 1.1052. Mean the separate is total 2 pips. So the next thing, what is margin? So what is margin? Margin is the amount of your own money your broker requires to keep a trade open. Think of it like a deposit. The broker locks it while your trade is active, then release it when you close the trade. Example, if your broker recovers a 1% margin, 1 ratio 100 leverage, and you open a 1 lakh positions, $1 lakh position, you must have $1,000 in your account as a margin. And the what is margin call? If your losses cause your equity to fall below the recovered margin level, your broker may close your position automatically to prevent further loss. To trade successfully, you must understand how leverage, pip value, load size, and margin work together. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with another traders who need to understand these basics.